how to use CoWriter word-by-word highlighting for both written text and speech to text. So let's get right into it. I am in a blank Google Doc. And what's amazing about CoWriter is you can use this across Google Chrome. So whether you're in, a blank Google Doc, Google Slides, etc., CoWriter is so intuitive and can be used across Google Chrome. So first, let's go up to CoWriter and go ahead and turn that on. And while I turn that on, I also just want to pop into my options to make sure that I have everything set up the way that I would like it. So what I have went ahead and done is I turned on Speak Words so I can hear that audio feedback, as well as I've turned on Speak Sentences, and then I want to also turn on Speak After Speech to Text. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my blank document, and I have CoWriter on, so I'm just going to begin typing. So if I just want to say the, so I'm going to say the. And watch how it starts to highlight each word that I write. So I'm just going to say R. And look at that. My second option is already Rocky Mountains.
Rocky Mountains.
That's exactly what I was looking for. So I'm going to choose the number 2 on my keyboard and watch again how it highlights that.
Rocky Mountains.
I'm going to say is.
Place.
We'll say in the. We'll say world.
World.
When I put that punctuation on there, CoWriter is also going to read that back to me, and as well as highlight each word. And this is so amazing that I'm able to watch these words highlight and listen to these words as I start to edit my paper as well.
The Rocky Mountains is the best place in the world.
Awesome. So now that we have looked at the word-by-word highlighting for written text, let's take a glance at the speech to text. So let's click into our microphone here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on my microphone, and I'm just going to say, I love going to the Rocky Mountains with my family every summer to go hiking.
I love it going to the Rocky Mountains with my family every summer to go hiking.
Awesome. And I was able to, again, watch that highlighting to hear if everything is correct. I did notice a little kind of typo, so let's go ahead and remove that right away. And now I can come back to the end of my sentence and put that punctuation on now that I've edited it and hear it again just to make sure it's all good.
I love going to the Rocky Mountains with my family every summer to go hiking.
Awesome, and that's exactly what I was looking for, so I can continue on with my assignment here. I hope this video helps.